Hey, look at that. And then,
Are you a professional vlogger?
yeah, I'm vlogging right now. Hold on, now I'm vlogging.
There you go.
Yeah, hey. Hey Carlos.
Hey.
They probably can't hear me because I'm behind the mic.
Well, that's the world we live in.
What you doing?
I'm trying to fix my ghetto ass sub and amp here.
Trying to make it a little less ghetto?
Debatable. Could be more ghetto after this, considering I'm gonna have to grind this down.
Well, I have just the tool for you.
Is it a grinder?
It's a grinder. Here's the Ghetto-licious sub.
Seeing a bit of a problem here.
Which is?
This thing is almost the same size as the eyelet.
Well, no, that's why you're supposed to. You're gonna cut it.
Oh, we're gonna shrink it. Yeah.
Yeah. Otherwise, it won't really work.
Or can you just use a bigger washer?
Yeah. Although this one, the other one that was here decided to Sudoku itself. So now I only have one cute one.
Okay, we're about to make a change forever. Perfection.
Watch this. What more do you need?
You're just gonna put two?
Yeah. Like the only one that connects these two is this one.
Well, no.
There's one other one that gets power.
All the cables are there. Like the power cables. So all the cables go in from the top to one place. The cross connect is right, just that one. But the flow of cables is over here.
Okay.
Alright guys, we're about to flip this LC2 here on the flip garage. Man, that was really sideways.
Yeah.
Yeah, are these your wheels? Your track day wheels?
How much are they?
$1,000, so I'm assuming with tires. Yes.
Brand new tires, so it's alright.
I'll share it. So you can sleep on it.
Sleep on what? Dreaming of my mirrors? You know, they really didn't think through this whole LC2 design here.
Well, I think it was supposed to be a little bit smaller, but like a smaller drill bit. That's in.
That's snug.
That's anywhere.
Alright, so now this has to go the other way. Like a glove.
Perfection.
Kobe! Alright, let's go.
Action.
Let's go grind this down. We live in a society.
Evidently we bought too big, but we'll overcome. So
How did you get these?
that doesn't fit. We have Carlos setting up with the grinder and his safety glasses.
It is long fuel.
You should fill it up for the community.
Safety first here. You sure this isn't gonna kill me?
No?
You're not sure?
No, I'm not sure.
Alright. I could die.
I'm also in the line of fire. I just want to put that out, so.
Do you have your PPE on?
No, I don't.
So I think it got hot enough to melt the little plastic there.
Should be fine.
I can see the heat coming off of it. I'm gonna put that down. Needs a little more.
What you got there, bud?
What we started with and where we finished. Boom.
This poor thing's been mutilated. Well,
Time to grind the other one. Now, will they touch once they're in?
well, no, you could put some heat shrink around them just in case.
I think it probably should, because,
Otherwise, I see a fire in the future.
yeah. Pro tip: don't buy 4-gauge amp wiring.
No, you only need the 8.
Yeah, 8 is more than enough.
4 is an exaggeration.
Especially for this is like a 250 RMS amp. I just feel like I had to share this moment. And it's 11 a.m.
There you go, Matisse. Damn right it is.
You know, but pass it this way though. Yeah.
Sparks will fly. Yeah.
We'll be fine.
Do you think 12 volts is enough to arc that?
Nah, but I'll put some heat shrink just in case.
Oh, that's the worst, Andy.
Heat shrink?
We're gonna heat shrink these so that they don't arc, even though they shouldn't.
They
But
probably won't, but we're professionals.
also, when you're taking them out, you don't want them to blow your fuse, which doesn't exist at the moment. So it's really a non-issue.
You know, as I was grinding these down, I wondered, am I making it less ghetto or more ghetto?
Why is that?
Well, I mean, I'm grinding down my electrical connectors.
Well, it's fine though, but it fits now. Otherwise, it would be more ghetto.
It kind of fit before though, you know,
With
and
the
I still have 16 feet of cable to go 1 foot. So,
There's no doubt about that one.
is it any less ghetto?
No.
Pro Fresh. That's what that is right there.
What's that thing that people do? They like line it up, make it straight, and then like make it turn.
Yeah, we're gonna make it look real nice, so it looks great up against the back of my seat.
Exactly.
And that seat's gonna love it.
All right. So that I believe is left right, and this is left right as well, because that goes on this side,
Alright, so it doesn't really matter where they go.
pretty much. And this side is the remote. One
Actually, I
is
should
the-
restate that. It does matter, but we don't know what's what, so
I don't really think it matters.
it is what it is.
The sub is mono.
Yeah, but you can't be like, one is positive, giving you positive, and then the other is negative, killing your vibe. So,
We can find out.
we get the multimeter and find out right now, actually. And it wouldn't be an awful idea.
I seriously don't think any of those are.
The speakers are polar.
You sure?
Mm-hmm. Yep.
With negative energy?
Yep.
I don't want no. I don't want no negative
it's
energy.
dark energy.
Dark matter.
Yeah. Get the multimeter if you want.
I have to look for that multimeter.
Well, it should be in the bag.
That word. You keep
Sure.
using it.
Yeah.
I got your back. Teamwork makes the dream work. Bang.
So PLP.
Yep.
All right.
Those have to be cut down.
Oh, you didn't cut these?
No.
We should have. I learned this in my years of working IT. 2 years.
Wait.
Is that something that a certain employer taught you?
Yeah, a very prestigious employer.
Only the finest wire throwers.
Yeah. Unbelievable.
I've missed this thing so much.
The wire thrower?
No, my sub and amp. It's just not the same without it.
Did you get Velcro?
I don't have any.
Hold on.
But you know what I do have?
What?
Zip ties.
You to reverse them? Yeah, it's not going anywhere.
What if
Oh.
heat it up?
Look, they said it couldn't be done.
Oh, didn't see that one. Oh. Now it's not gonna properly. Wait.
What?
Let's put some heat shrink on there.
No, it'll be after.
It'll be easier.
This for everyone. They called the police on me. I was just trying to make money.
Feed my daughters.
It was all a dream.
You're gonna dent my trunk.
That's good enough. Give me the heat shrink.
There you go.
Oh, that's hot now.
Now it actually works.
Freaking 10-foot flame.
And it's gone.
Either we do this or the car burns down. Either way, it's gonna happen.
You know, I'm not too crazy about that idea. Go ahead. We're good. 14 or something. This way. Ready?
Wait. Yep.
Dodgeable.
Yeah.
Wow, I wish we would have bought 3 feet of cable.
That's what I was telling you.
Yeah, we really needed an extra foot here.
Change this one.
We very gracefully jam that in there.
Mm-hmm. Here.
Where is the other signal wire?
No, this is the signal
Oh yeah,
wire.
that is the signal wire. Never mind. So we need to zip tie them together, but not shorter, because then it's going to be impossible to take out. And as you know, as Schumacher Jr. over here, I race a lot.
Hmm.
Like once a year at least.
At least. Well, look at that. I'm doing this ghetto thing, but I didn't really have to. Because it has a remote in and a remote out.
Look at that.
But so it shall stay. Alright, there we go.
Yeah, let's hook everything up and see if it explodes.
Yeah.
Hey Andy,
Hey,
what did we learn?
speakers are polar, which I knew. I did know that.
You did know that already.
We learned that, but I knew that.
You remember how you dented the brakes and we dented them?
Yeah, it's a
team effort.
Yeah,
out
there's no I in team.
All right, well this thing is bumping. I think we're done.
All right, let's clean this shit up. Can't say shit, but I said shit.
You said shit again.
Yeah.